Alright everyone, my name is Rob and welcome to my brand new YouTube channel called My Tin Lizzy. On this channel, we're going to be talking about the Model T. In fact, we're going to be talking about my Model T to get started. This is my first Model T, and I'm going to bring you along on my journey of restoration and everything else. I just got this Model T. So this is going to be a brand new fun channel, brand new adventure. I've never restored a Model T before, and I've always wanted one. It is absolutely my dream car. And this came up really quick. So in fact, today is Wednesday. It was delivered last night. The guy I purchased it from was nice enough to bring it out for me. And yeah, but first, let's do this. Alright, so with the fun out of the way, I promise you I won't make this video too long. I'm really excited to go ahead and dig in and get started, but I figured in this video, since it just came last night, and you need to see it as much as I need to see it, I'm going to take the camera and take you around it, and let's take a good look at what I got and where we're going to be starting with this bad boy. Alright, so it is November here in Michigan, and I'm getting ready. I just purchased this too for the car. It is a car canopy because it is November. And there's Maxie. Maxie's come to help with car restorations. Hi Max. And so I want to get it. It's supposed to rain today, and this car has not seen the elements in very many years. So let's go around and take a look at it, and then we'll dig in. Now I am a little bit unsure of exactly the date of the car itself. It was actually, I purchased it as a truck, alright, because that's what the guy said it was being used as. So I do not know too much about it. I threw some tarps on it last night to kind of keep things dry, since it hasn't seen the elements. I also got a humongous stack of parts to go with it. Let me pull this out so I'll show you. Oh, just put some little stuff over here. Boy, just put them out here and you get a few more in them already. Look at that, just last night. Yes, I got 3 additional motors with the car, parts, boxes. The guy I purchased it from was, his name is Chris, and he is an absolute sweetheart. So he gave me all kinds of stuff, and as part of the deal, he actually was nice enough to trailer it out for me. I think his main purpose was to just see the car go to a good home. And I think you could see my enthusiasm for a Model T. Like I said, a Model T is my dream car. I've always wanted to get. I had no plans on purchasing a Model T right now. It was my wife Karen who found this. And look at this unique steering wheel that's on the car. Got brand new spark plugs for me. Look at this. There's the original steering wheel. I don't know if that's books. It appears to be wood, as opposed to, I think they used what was called Fordite. Oh, maybe this is the Fordite wheel. Oh yeah, it's got like a weird feel to it. It's got the wooden wheels, which are just amazing. So let's take a look at the engine. Let me pause here for a sec so I can get the cover open. Okay, there we go. Just got it propped up right now. So he purchased it as a barn find from a deceased estate auction, and he has very many projects. He's a car restorer, and he had very many projects going on, and he just didn't have the high interest in a Model T, and I do. So now, according to the motor, which is how you figure out what the VIN is you get the serial number of the motor, and we are in the 3 millions with this one, which puts the date of the motor approximately 1920. Okay, but when he actually had the car listed, he had it listed as a truck from 1925. So you have to dig out that, but those things are down in here. More extra parts, tons and tons of extra parts he sent with it for me. So you're supposed to be able to find the VIN number, should be on the frame, and then I can figure out exactly what the year of this body is. It's really interesting. The body style is really weird. It's different. I don't know if it was wood back here, or but I am really looking forward to this project. It should be a lot of fun, and I hope that you'll come along with me on this, and I'll try to document as much as I can of this adventure. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this quick tour of My Tin Lizzy, and I'm going to go ahead and get this carport, the cover up on it, and the front and back on it before the weather starts, and try to get them parts organized so I can get everything so it doesn't experience any elements, since it hasn't probably experienced elements in quite a number of years. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I look forward to seeing you in upcoming videos. Take care.